Take out the ebic. And show the other accessories. Remove the protective foam and zip ties. Take out the front fork protection bar. Install the front wheel. Unscrew the quick release stem. Take out the quick release protection sheet. Install the quick release. Fix the front wheel. Tighten it a few more times to make it firmly fixed in the direction of the front. Screw in for screws simultaneously. Put on the handlebar. Screw in for screws simultaneously. The pedals are in the kit. Pay attention to distinguish between left and right pedals. It needs to be tightened with a wrench after installation. Install the light. Tighten the screws. Install the bell. Tighten the screws to fix. Installation complete.